Have you ever heard of the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean? Nestled off the coast of Yemen lies a hidden gem, an island called Socotra. This fascinating island is so isolated that nearly a third of its plant life is found nowhere else on the planet. Because of this, it's often compared to the Galapagos Islands in the Pacific Ocean, earning it the nickname the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean. Socotra, with its unique flora and fauna, is a testament to how life can adapt and thrive in the most challenging of environments. From the iconic dragon's blood tree to the countless species that have yet to be discovered, Socotra is a living museum of natural history. Its isolation, unique biodiversity, and the mystery that shrouds it make Socotra a place that truly feels out of this world. So, buckle up, adventurers, as we explore this otherworldly paradise and delve into the mysteries it holds. Welcome to Socotra, an island that time forgot. Socotra is home to some of the most unique and bizarre plants on Earth. Imagine a landscape where trees seem to defy the laws of botany and flowers bloom with an alien beauty. This is Socotra, an island where evolution has played out in strange and wonderful ways. A standout among Socotra's botanical wonders is the dragon's blood tree, a tree straight from the pages of a fantasy novel. Its name comes from the deep red sap it secretes, which locals have used for centuries as a dye and a natural remedy. With its densely packed crown of leaves and an umbrella-like shape, this tree is a marvel of natural design, perfectly engineered to capture moisture from the mist-laden winds. Then there's the desert rose, or bottle tree, another of Socotra's botanical stars. Its thick, swollen trunk, designed to store water, and its beautiful pink flowers make it a sight to behold. But this is more than just a pretty plant. The desert rose's ability to thrive in arid conditions is a testament to nature's tenacity. These plants, and many others found on Socotra, have evolved to survive in an environment that is as beautiful as it is harsh. The island's isolation, extreme heat, and aridity have shaped the flora into forms that are found nowhere else on Earth. These plants have developed unique ways to capture and store water, protect themselves from the scorching sun, and even to reproduce. But these adaptations aren't just about survival, they also contribute to Socotra's unique ecosystem, playing a vital role in supporting a diverse range of insects, birds, and other animals. Each plant, from the towering dragon's blood tree to the humble desert rose, is a crucial part of the intricate web of life on this extraordinary island. These plants are not just unique, they are survivors, perfectly adapted to their environment. They stand as a testament to the power of evolution and the enduring spirit of life on our planet. Their story is a reminder that nature, when left to its own devices, can create wonders that are beyond our wildest dreams. But it's not just the plants that are unique in Socotra. As we delve deeper into the island's ecosystems, we find an array of animals that are as intriguing as the flora. These creatures, from the tiniest insects to the most vibrant birds, all exhibit the same tenacity and adaptability that's a trademark of this island. Let's start with the Socotra sunbird, a striking creature that is exclusive to Socotra. With its iridescent green and purple plumage, this bird is a sight to behold. Its long, curved beak is perfectly adapted to sip nectar from the island's many unique flowers. This tiny creature is a testament to how life can find a way, even in the most challenging conditions. Next, we have the Socotra Starling, another bird species that calls this island home. This bird is known for its glossy black feathers and its loud, melodious song. Interestingly, the Socotra Starling has a remarkably robust immune system, likely a result of adapting to Socotra's harsh environment over countless generations. But the uniqueness of Socotra's fauna isn't limited to birds. The island is also home to a variety of endemic reptiles, including geckos and skinks, that have adapted to the arid climate by developing specialized skin to prevent water loss. And let's not forget the sea life. The waters surrounding Socotra teem with a variety of marine species, including dolphins, whales, and an array of colorful fish, each contributing to the vibrant underwater ecosystem. These creatures, much like the flora we discussed earlier, are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. They've each found their niche in this unique environment and have adapted over time to not just survive, but to thrive. From the sunbirds fluttering among the dragon's blood trees to the starlings singing their heart out in the early morning, these creatures add another layer to the rich tapestry of life on Socotra. They are a vital part of the island's ecosystem, each playing their role in maintaining the balance of this isolated paradise. The animals of Socotra are as unique and resilient as the plants, and they remind us that life, in all its forms, is beautifully adaptable and ceaselessly inventive. However, this unique ecosystem is under threat. Picture Socotra as a delicate masterpiece, a balance of life that's been carefully painted over millions of years. Yet, like any artwork, it's susceptible to damage, and the forces of climate change and human activities are the culprits. Climate change, that relentless beast, is gnawing at Socotra's edges. Rising sea levels are swallowing the island's coastal regions, while increasing temperatures are causing the iconic dragon's blood trees to wither away. These trees, which have been around since the time of the dinosaurs, are a testament to survival. But the unrelenting heat is a new foe they're ill-equipped to battle. Meanwhile, the erratic weather patterns associated with climate change are wreaking havoc on the island's fauna. Species adapted to Socotra's unique climate are finding it hard to cope. Birds are changing their migration patterns, while the insects and other invertebrates, the unsung heroes of this ecosystem, are struggling to keep up. Then, there's the impact of human activities. The island was relatively isolated from the rest of the world until recently. But with the arrival of modern civilization came the usual suspects: deforestation, overfishing, and pollution. The destruction of habitats for infrastructure development and the overexploitation of resources for economic gain have dealt a significant blow to Socotra's biodiversity. Even tourism, often seen as a benign activity, has its dark side. With the increasing number of visitors drawn to the island's otherworldly beauty, there's a surge in waste generation and habitat disruption. And let's not forget the introduction of non-native species, which could potentially outcompete the local flora and fauna, disrupting the delicate ecological balance. So, what we have here is a paradise under siege, a world that's been evolving in isolation for millions of years, now struggling to adapt to these rapidly changing conditions. The threats are real, and their impacts are already visible. But it's not all doom and gloom. Remember, every problem presents an opportunity for change. The future of Socotra's unique ecosystem hangs in the balance. But there is hope for Socotra. Despite the threats to its unique ecosystem, there are ongoing efforts to safeguard this otherworldly island. One of the most significant is the establishment of the Socotra Archipelago National Park, a critical initiative aimed at preserving the island's diverse and unique life forms. The park covers a significant portion of the island, providing a sanctuary for the countless species that call Socotra home. This includes the iconic dragon's blood tree, the cucumber tree, and the myriad of unique bird species found nowhere else in the world. The park is not merely a protective zone, but also a research site where scientists and conservationists study the island's rare ecosystem to better understand how to preserve it. But the conservation efforts in Socotra are not just about setting aside land. They are also about sustainable practices. Efforts are being made to educate the local community about the importance of their home's biodiversity. By teaching the people of Socotra about the value of their natural resources, these initiatives aim to promote sustainable practices that will ensure the long-term survival of the island's unique species. In addition to local education, conservationists are working tirelessly to combat the threats posed by climate change and invasive species. They are monitoring the health of the ecosystem, taking steps to mitigate the damage, and constantly devising new strategies to protect these unique species from extinction. Moreover, international cooperation plays a vital role in Socotra's conservation. The island's unique biodiversity has caught the attention of the global community, leading to partnerships and collaborations that support the ongoing conservation efforts. It's a challenging task, no doubt, but the dedication and commitment of those working to protect Socotra's unique ecosystem are truly inspiring. They remind us that we have a responsibility to protect these irreplaceable treasures of our planet, not just for us, but for future generations. With continued conservation efforts, we can hope to preserve Socotra's unique ecosystem for future generations. Yes, the journey is long and fraught with challenges, but with concerted effort and unwavering commitment, Socotra can continue to enchant and amaze the world with its otherworldly beauty. Socotra is a testament to the wonders of nature. This final thought is a fitting wrap to our deep dive into this unique island. As we've explored, Socotra's ecosystem is a world of its own, home to a myriad of distinctive flora and fauna. From the iconic dragon's blood tree to the myriad of endemic species, Socotra is a living, breathing testament to the power of evolution and adaptation. But it's not just about the marvels of nature. Socotra's story is also a stark reminder of the threats faced by such unique ecosystems. The delicate balance of Socotra's biodiversity is under siege, impacted by climate change and human activities. Yet, there's hope. Conservation efforts are underway, aiming to safeguard the island's incredible biodiversity. In conclusion, Socotra is more than just an island. It's a wonder of nature, a symbol of resilience, and an urgent call to action. Socotra, the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean, a reminder of the beauty and resilience of nature, and a call to action for us all.